King was a man of deep conviction. He believed that if you had nothing you were willing to die for, you had nothing to live for.
And as we walk the path together, we can truly begin to push for freedom and equality for all women, all men, all races. So let's do the right thing, because the time is always right.
I'm gonna let it shine.
We must also use our privilege as members of the university community to discern, just like Dr. King did, what is right and what is wrong, beyond the thin concept that is legality.
Love, joy, sharing, brotherhood, sisterhood, those are all the things that make us thrive. And we can all be grateful for Dr. King for enunciating it so well when he did.
Today was a unity walk, and we had some student speakers who kind of talked about MLK and his dream and how we as young people can impact the society and make a change, and just to take a moment to really appreciate MLK and all he did.
As a black student, I'm forever in debt to Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. because of everything he's done for my parents to be where they are and for where I am to be able to go to this great institution.
We shall overcome someday.